YouTube, what it is, man. It's your boy Sayysooflyy. I am no wave, I am no bridge, man. Now, right now, son, so the point of this video right here, I'm going to show you how to set up your KOT4X account. I'm going to show you how to put money in your account, and I'm going to show you how to actually take trades using the Tradelocker platform that they use. This whole process is very simple. I'm going to show you how to do it on the phone, but all of this stuff, you could do it on the laptop or a computer. It's the same process. Now, the very first thing that you need to do is click the link down below. That's going to take you to the KOT4X broker website. Once you click the link in the bio, your screen should look just like mine right now. All right. Now, once you get to this screen, the very first thing that you're going to do is, of course, click sign up. All right. And pretty much it's going to take you to the sign up screen. You're going to put all of your information in right here. Make sure that you put the real information because this is a real thing. All right. So now this right here is your dashboard. The very first thing that you want to do is actually verify your account. So I'm going to click the menu. I'm going to click KYC verification. And this is pretty much just showing that you're an actual person. So you can upload your driver's license or a passport. Like I said, this is just showing that you're a real person. All right, let's go back to the dashboard. All right, so now we're back at the dashboard. Now I'm going to show you how to actually make an account so you can start trading. We're going to make a demo account first. I'm going to click the menu, then I'm going to click my accounts. Okay, so where it says account type, I'm going to click KOT4X Tradelocker demo. The ECN is a live account. Demo is a demo account, of course. For currency, I'm going to select USD. Account leverage, I'm going to select 500. Leverage just allows you to trade with more money than you actually have. All right. And this is a demo account, so it's fake money. I'm going to click, let's do $10,000. This is practice money. This is on a practice account pretty much. So now let's click create account. So after you create an account, you're going to get an email with all of the credentials that you need in order to actually sign up. All right, so you can see success, account created successfully. I just got the email. So now let me click my email and it's going to give me all the credentials. All right, so it's going to give me my username, the account ID. I always screenshot this when I first see it, the password and the server name. Now it's two different things you can do. You can either go to the website, which I'm going to show you right here. You can log in actually, through the actual website, or you can go and download the app from the App Store. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to Tradelocker and I'm going to download the app real quick. Shouldn't take too long. Open. Allow. Alright, cool. So now I'm just going to go back and I'm going to put in my information, type in my email, and let's go back. So I'm going to get my password. When it comes to the passwords and stuff, copy and paste. Do not try to type this stuff. All right, so I'm going to paste it. Server name, I'm going to copy that. Then I'm going to simply paste it again. All right, now make sure that it says demo in this top left screen, okay? Because if it says live, it's not going to work. Make sure that it says demo. All right, so now we are inside of the app. The very first thing that I'm going to do is change the pair. So I'm going to click the top left. I'm type US30 because that's what I like to trade for myself. All right, so now we are in pretty much the Tradelocker dashboard. All right, now as you can see, it's a bunch of different things on here. At the bottom left, you can see where it says sell, buy. That's how you're gonna actually take a trade. So the way that I just changed the pair, I pretty much click the top left screen, and that's how I changed the pair. So first thing I'm gonna do is click trades. This is where it'll show me my actual positions or trades that I'm actually in. All right, you see I'm not in any trades right now. I'm going to click the top right. This is just showing me my account information. You can see my balance, my equity, my margin, and things like that. All right, I'm going to click where it says one-click trading. Pretty much without one-click trading, when you take a trade, it's going to ask you for a confirmation. But once you click one-click trading, as soon as you click buy, as soon as you click sell, you're going to actually get into that trade immediately. So when you hold down the screen, you can actually change the settings of, you can change the colors and everything. So that's what I'm going to do real quick, just because I am kind of colorblind, so I can't really see certain colors. So I'm going to just change it to, what fits me best. So now that I have my chart looking exactly how I want, now we're going to talk about how to actually get into a trade. At the bottom, you can see where it says sell and buy. And then above that, you see it says SL and TP. That's your stop loss and take profit. So one good thing about this that I kind of like is when you click stop loss, you can actually drag your stop loss and it'll tell you how much money you're actually risking. So I'm just pretty much playing around with it. And then the same thing happens for a take profit. All right, and I'm gonna just scroll that up, and I'm gonna just take like a practice trade just so y'all can see how it actually works. But that's one way you can actually enter your stop loss and take profit. Another way is by actually typing it right here. And one thing that I like about this is that you can set your stop loss or take profit based off of the price, or you can set it based off of like how much money you want to risk. So if I only want to risk $30 where it says P&L, I can just type $30. Or if I want to make $120 where it says P&L under take profit, I can type 120 and it will move my stop loss automatically for me. All right, so that right there is easy. You know, some people like to drag it, some people because they want to see it visually. So I'm gonna just take a trade real quick just so you can see it. I'm gonna click buy. All right, so you can see that we actually took the trade. Now you can see that once you take the trade, your stop loss and take profit, you can't see the actual orders on the screen. They're still active, but you just, you know, for some reason you can't see it on the screen anymore. All right, but you can see to the left, I'm down $3. This is a practice account. Remember that at the top right, you can see where it says demo. All right, I'm gonna click trades. You can see my positions. It says that I'm gonna buy. It says my stop loss and take profit, my fees, the commissions, the pendings. I don't have any pending orders, the trades that I've taken so far, and then also my history of trades. So you can see all of that simply by clicking trades. So that's pretty much how you would actually take a trade. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to create a live account, because remember that right there was a demo account. So for account type, we're gonna click ECN. For currency, is gonna be USD or whatever currency is best for you. Leverage, we're gonna click 500. Remember, leverage allows you to trade with more money than you actually have. Then we're gonna click create account. All right, same thing. They're gonna send me my credentials in the email. You see, I just got it. So now I'm gonna show you how to actually deposit money into your account to actually trade with. Okay, so we're gonna click the menu, deposit funds. All right, so for the deposit type, we're gonna click it. And I like to use Bitcoin whenever I deposit. Now, with this, you can deposit money into your wallet or into the actual platform. Now, the wallet is the money at the top right that you see. I want to deposit money into the platform so I can start trading and start making money. So I'm going to click platform where it says select an account. I want to deposit the money into the account that I just created. So I'm going to click the bottom one where it says $0. All right. Now, how much do I want to deposit? Let's deposit $50. All right, so I'm gonna click 50 and boom. Then I'm gonna click go to payment. Now, once I click that, pretty much what's gonna happen is that it's gonna take me to the next screen. Now, this screen is very, very important. What I always like to do is screenshot this screen, okay? Now, what you can see is that you have a QR code, and under that, you have a Bitcoin address with a bunch of letters and numbers. All right, so always copy the address as soon as you get it. So I'm gonna click copy address. You can see that I just did it. Now, when it comes to depositing money, you can either use crypto.com, you can use Cash App, you can use Coinbase, whatever app or whatever platform you use to actually buy and sell and send and receive Bitcoin, you can use that. For me, I'm gonna show you how to use it on Cash App. So now I'm gonna go into my Cash App. I'm gonna go into the Bitcoin portion of it. I'm gonna buy $50 worth of Bitcoin. All right, it's gonna take me through the security measures. I'm gonna click confirm. So, oops, I'm gonna buy $50 worth. And after I buy the Bitcoin, now I have to send the Bitcoin. So boom, I just bought it. You can see I just purchased the Bitcoin, click done. So now you can see it says buy, sell, and send. I'm gonna click to the right where it says send. I have $48. I bought $50 worth, but of course, you know, taxes and everything. So I'm just gonna send $48 worth. I always tell people to buy a little bit more than the amount that you actually wanna send. Now, you can see where it says a QR code. If I was doing it from my computer, I could actually scan the QR code that way, and it is a little bit easier sometimes. But, you know, I usually do it through my phone. So I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna copy the address again. All right, so after I click next, it's pretty much asking me, where do I want to send the money to? So I'm gonna paste the address that I just copied, and boom. So now I just sent the money into my broker. Now this process is gonna take anywhere from 30 minutes to about an hour. All right, sometimes it might take a little bit more than an hour, but I'm telling you, as long as you follow the steps that I just showed you, your money is on the way. All right, so now let me show you guys how to actually withdraw money, just, you know, for future references. So to withdraw money from your broker, the very first thing that you want to go to is internal transfer. For transfer type, we're gonna click trading platform to wallet, which is the second option. Trading platform to wallet. Transfer from is pretty much we're taking the money out of our trading account and we're transferring it to our wallet. So transfer from, boom, transfer to our wallet. How much do we want to transfer? Let's just say $100. All right, now after we transfer this money, this internal transfer is going to be instant. Okay, so once we click transfer, this money is going to go into our wallet. So now after we do that, now we're going to click the menu button again. We're going to go to withdraw. For withdraw type, we're going to select Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the only way that I ever deposit money, and that's how I always withdraw money. So we're going to click that. We're going to select a wallet. Remember, we just transferred money from our trading platform into the wallet. So we're going to select the wallet, USD. And this goes for whatever currency that you're actually using. The amount to withdraw, let's just say $100. Now, I'm not going to actually click request withdraw because I don't want to actually withdraw it. But it's the same exact process as depositing money, just in reverse. So once we click request withdraw, it's going to take us to the next screen. And it's pretty much going to ask us, where do we want to send the money to? All right, so it's going to ask us for a Bitcoin wallet to send the money to. I'm going to go to either Cash App, Crypto.com, or Coinbase, whatever you use to actually buy and sell or send and receive Bitcoin. And I'm going to get my Bitcoin address of my deposit wallet. All right, and that wallet is what I'm going to paste inside of here, or that address. And like I said, this process is going to take anywhere from 30 minutes to about an hour, and that money should be either processing or should actually be in your account by then. But that right there is the process of actually how to set up your KOT account, how to put money in your account, how to withdraw money from your account, and how to actually take trades. Hopefully this video actually helped you in some kind of way. If you got value from this video, definitely like the video, click subscribe, catch the wave, join the family, and that's it, man. I hope you start making some money. You already know how I go, man. Stay cool, stay safe out here in these streets, man. Most of all, stay wavy, my friends. Stay wavy, so waves don't die. Sheesh.
Damn, I remember being broke. Niggas calling me a joke. Sleeping on me, now they woke. And now they say I give them hope. She ain't never even noticed me. Now I pull up and she knows me. Shorty say she see the goat in me. I got everybody quoting me.